Today, I'm gonna teach her how to cook Turkish food. Be careful, your finger is here.
One day we gon' make it.
That is so dangerous.
Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hated.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am here with the woman that gave birth to me.
Yes.
Okay, you guys probably already know that I'm from Turkey. I was born, raised there, and then we moved to LA. To this day, we eat Turkish food every single night. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, it's all Turkish. And I've come to the age where I kind of need to learn how to cook. So today my mom's going to be teaching me how to make my favorite Turkish meal. It's called bezelye. I will put a picture right here. It's basically like peas and rice, and obviously there's yogurt because if you're Turkish you eat yogurt with everything.
I'm gonna teach you.
This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Let's get cooking. Okay, what do we need to make this?
Okay, we need first of all peas, 2 tomatoes, 1 onions, a little bit tomato paste, black pepper, potatoes, olive oil, of course olive oil. That's it.
How do you cut an onion? Oh, big knife.
Okay.
Show me. Like
We're gonna chop
this?
I'm gonna show you first. Like this. Okay.
Why do we have to use such a big knife?
Brown.
Guys, I'm a cook.
Very, very, very small.
Like that?
Yeah. If you use this knife, it's gonna be better.
Like that?
Be careful, your finger is here.
No.
I don't want to eat your finger.
Why are these knives so heavy?
You have to do this like this.
Can I do that? That's fun. Like this?
Fast.
Why doesn't it work? Ah.
Girl, it's boring. I wanna see. Go, 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 go.
More?
Okay, it's enough. Yes, you have to use this side.
They're gonna get a little bit fried. We're gonna like saute them, I guess.
Peel it.
How do I peel a tomato?
Not too much. Peel it. It's not cut it. Look at this. Is this peel? No.
It's slippery.
Not too much because this is the hot pepper paste. Yeah. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Okay.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. That ended with life when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Right inside the basement. Said it's 4 ounce to it wavy tweaking.
Okay, now we need to add hot water into our little pot.
I can give you a secret. If you put little bit sugar, it's gonna be taste delicious.
Sugar is the secret ingredient.
Is it? Okay, that's it.
Now what?
That's it.
Oh.
Ta-da-da-da!
Now, since we made like the official like main meal, we're gonna make some rice because that's a part of like the Turkish thing, like you just eat rice with everything. So for the rice, we need 2 cups of legit rice, some salt, and then some orzo, whatever that is, olive oil, and that's it.
Okay. Orzo. It's gonna be pink.
Wow, that's so cool. Wow. Hem kabuğu hem alttan hem pirinçleri kırma.
You have to be gentle, okay?
I'm tired. Now we add the hot water.
Drove the gates feeling anxious around 12 a.m. Just move, but might move it all out again. This feel like deja vu.
So apparently when you're cooking rice, the minute you add the water, you have to close it with the lid. So.
Bak, şimdi hızlıca. Çek. Ve
I don't like that. Ow! That is so dangerous. Once you add the boiling water and close it with the lid, you have to cook it on low.
Hollywood movies coming after the music to take over, be looming.
30 minutes to cook rice.
25 sometimes.
Just some private to show my mama I really got it. Be screaming out.
So the rice soaked up all the water and now it's like
it's done.
good looking. So these are dills and I need to separate them from the stem. And then we need to cut them up.
Wait again. Gonna leave this house all the comfort again.
I hate dill.
Still don't know how I'ma pay the rent. Movie like nice side too many. Now I'm too good at these fights. I've been through plenty. Defusing the bombs though. Take my talents down to LA.
Can you taste it? Maybe it's cooked. It's really hot.
It's really hot.
Be careful.
Ah. Got it.
Okay, wait.
That was so hot.
Yandın mı?
According to my mom's Turkish terms, once we turned off the light, the fire, the heat under the rice, we like let it rest so that it could just not be like wet when you eat it. So it's like resting right now. This was she low light. Ah! I burned my tongue really bad and it really hurts, but it's okay.
Explaining no inspiration coming from these faces, ho. Plotting on these mixtapes and videos. Need these reps. 2018 and shit I stress.
I just added some dill and I think that was the last step. We just turned it off and that's just gonna like rest for a little, do its thing, and then I think we're ready to serve.
One day I'll be stomping on stages, but right now we just dancing in the
Enough. You are gonna be fat.
That is 4 ounce, still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Shorty won't fuck with me. I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit, little free.
Now for the tasting part. I want to see how I did. I'm waiting this time. I did good.
Wow! Congratulations, Nia! Bravo! Bravo!
It's really good.
Bon appetit!
That is it. We finished our meal. We took a couple bites. It's really good. I'm not even lying. Like, it's actually really good. Thank you to my mom for teaching me my first meal. This is really good and I'm really hungry.
Just digging it.
I love you guys so very much and I will see you next week. Bye guys.